Yes, welcome guys to Ilonggo Insider Channel. Nandito ako ngayon to give you some information. Marami kasi nagtatanong sa akin anong ginagamit kong sound card kapag nag-live po ako. So, I'm here to review yung dalawang most common na sound card na usually being used ngayon sa live streaming. I have here yung F8. Ayan. Ayan mga guys. Yung F8. Ayan. In-order ko po ito sa Shopee. Ayan. So, I've tested it also. At ang nakakabit po ngayon sa akin, which I'm using now, is the V8. Ayan po yung gitara and the microphone, as you can hear. It's not time to make a change. Just relax, take it easy. You're still young, that's your fault. There's so much you have to know. And that's a sample ng kanyang tunog. Later, ikakabit natin yung F8 so that you will have an idea. Yung setup ko po kasi I'm using a amplifier and doon po naka-connect yung microphone tsaka yung guitar ko doon. Then from the amplifier, yun na yung pong pumapasok sa V8, sa mono connection na lang papunta dito sa V8 natin. Ayan. So meron din akong ginagamit na option which makes I think the sound better sa V8. Yung meron po siyang mic. Ino-on ko, ayan. You can hear the difference. Tapos at the same time, meron pang isang button siya na silence. Voice cut open. Yan. Yan po yung dalawa na naka-on yan kapag nagla-live po ako. So you can hear the difference kapag naka-off po yung mic tsaka yung silence. Ito po yung tunog niya, di ba? Parang dry siya. But when I on this option, yung mic tsaka yung silence, I think this one sound much better when you're doing a live performance while singing and playing the guitar. Tapos yung volume ng mic ko po is nasa 3/4 lang siya. And yung echo is naka-halfway lang po. So we don't want too much echo. Pero doon po kasi sa amplifier ko, meron na akong mga adjustments doon which I can control yung equalizer ng guitar at the same time ng microphone. So it's all up to the user, no? Pero dito sa V8, yun lang po yung option na nagustuhan ko, itong mic. Naka-on siya. Tapos the same time yung silence niya naka-on din, which makes the sound more livelier. It's not time to make a change. Just relax, take it easy. You're still young, that's your fault. There's so much you have to know. So hopefully napansin niyo yung difference dun sa tunog. So I'll be right back with the F8, mga kaibigan. And then we will compare yung mga options and the price of the sound cards. So see you later. I'll be right back when I have done set up the F8 on my guitar and microphone. Hi there guys. So na-set up ko na yung F8 sa guitar ko tsaka sa microphone. Ayan. It's not time to make a change. Just relax, take it easy. You're still young, that's your fault. There's so much you have to know. Find a girl, settle down. If you want, you can marry. Look at me, I am old, but I'm happy. Ayan, so dito kasi sa F8 mga kaibigan, wala na ka ng option na gagalawin. But you can choose from KTV to MC. But I prefer itong MC lang dahil sa more natural yung sound niya, and you still can control the echo or the reverb from the slider. So, depend na lang sa gusto nyong echo, kung yung effects na gusto nyo. At least na compare po ninyo yung tunog. Wala naman akong binago sa amplifier ko, the same pa rin siya. Kinabit ko lang talaga yung F8. Tapos, nag-adjust lang ako ng equalizer sa F8 sa bass and treble and sa echo, and yung settings ko nasa MC lang siya. Meron kasing option na KTV kung gusto nyo marinig. Nasa KTV po ako ngayon. It's not time to make a change. Just relax, take it easy. You're still young, that's your fault. There's so much you have to know. So much prefer ko po yung MC kasi dito sa KTV medyo medyo shaky yung tunog niya compared dito sa MC. Ayan, no-notice nyo naman po. So that's it sa ating sound test. I'll be back with the comparison. See you again later. Ayan mga guys, I'm back. Yung nakakabit pa rin ngayon is ang F8 ko. And nandito ngayon on my hands is the V8. So, yung sinabi ko kaninang option na I put it on when I'm live streaming. Ito pong mic. So, mic tsaka silence na option. So, yan lang po yung ino-on ko dito kung magla-live po ako, which makes the sound much better. So compare naman sa tunog sa F8, I leave it to you kung anong mas gusto niyong tunog. Pero yung within terms naman sa price, this is only around 700 pesos and below. And the same naman sila, galing ng China. While yung F8, medyo mahal siya, nasa 1.2 po iyon. So, depende lang po sa budget na you can work around. With the function naman, the same lang po. Especially kung magla-live stream lang po tayo, there's no need na talaga na maganda yung sound card natin. The V8 will do its purpose, and the same time yung F8 ganon din. So yung kagandahan lang dito sa F8, mas marami siyang option sa sa mga sounds, and mas may control siya sa mga pitch bend ng voice compared dito sa V8. Ayan. And ang advantage rin dito sa V8, meron na po itong Bluetooth. While sa F8, wala pa ata yung Bluetooth eh. This one, meron na siyang Bluetooth. Which, another advantage kung nag-Bluetooth ka, mayroon kang cellphone na ginagamit mong music player while live streaming. Aside from that, almost the same naman. Yung V8, naka-knobs lang siya, while the F8, slider naman siya. Or fader. So, that's it mga guys. I hope nakatulong tong short video natin to answer your questions about ano ba yung magandang gamitin while live streaming in your doing cover songs or recording with the guitar. While kung live stream lang naman at all you do is talk, hindi naman po kayo kumakanta or anything, pwede na rin ito. Pero sa mga musikero dyan, syempre, mas maganda pa rin yung merong talagang ginagamit na audio interface. Yun lang, mas mahal lang pong option po yun. So, if you're in a budget, F8 and V8, pwede na rin. So, thank you so much guys for joining me, and hope to see you again on my next video. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Once again, this is Ilonggo Insider, and God bless.